Good day to you all, to my subscribers and to my fans. So I'm Collins again, Bolanwa. So we want to introduce another product from MaxSuri Global company. It's a Nigerian company. The product is MaxSuri Charcoal Whitening Toothpaste. What is its function? It whitens the teeth. It also helps in anti-cavity. It strengthens the teeth and it refreshes breath. This product is recommended for old people. It can also be used by young people, but under the supervision of their parents. These products, there are a lot of testimony to these products. I myself have used the products and it works for me. It also works for my customers. So I like to try this toothpaste. It's good for you, and I believe you'll come back for it once you use it, because the product itself is a testimony. Yes.